Hello, we're your management team. Here are a few ways to fix some basic maintenance issues. This should help you save time, money, and headaches. Plumbing first. Clogged sink or shower. First, pull the stopper. Remove any visible hair. Use a Zip-It that you can purchase from a local hardware store. If it's still slow, try a plunger. Cover the overflow if needed. Be sure to never flush wipes or hygiene products. Note: clogs from negligence may be tenant charges. Garbage disposal acting up? Turn it off. Press the red reset button underneath. Remove any foreign objects while the power is off, then run cold water and test. Never put fibrous foods down there, such as celery corn husks, artichoke leaves, onion skins, asparagus potato peels, or banana peels. Water shutoffs. Locate sink and toilet valves now. Lefty-loosey on, righty-tighty off, so in an emergency, you can shut them quickly. Electrical. If lights or outlets stop, check the breaker panel. Flip the tripped switch fully off, then back to on. Replace bulbs with the correct wattage and type. Test GFCI outlets. Press reset if they trip. HVAC. Change air filters every 60 days for airflow and efficiency. On the thermostat, avoid extreme swings. Keep the fan on auto, not on. Fridge running warm? Vacuum the coils. Change the fridge filter per the manual. Dryer safety. Clean the lint trap after every load. Trash and recycling. Follow local rules to avoid pests and fines. To report any maintenance issues, take photos, and if needed video, and submit a work order in your portal. The more detail, the better. We are here to help.